Imagine wearing something so valuable that it needs its own security team, something so rare that no amount of money can recreate it once it's gone. Today, we're rediving into the most expensive and unique jewelry pieces ever made, jewels that aren't just accessories but legends. Some of these pieces have caused scandals, started wars of obsession, and rewritten auction history forever. And the craziest part, a few of them are technically priceless. Let's start with a jewel so famous that people believe it's cursed. The Hope Diamond is not just blue, it's a shade so deep and mysterious that scientists still struggle to explain it. Weighing over 45 carats, this diamond has passed through the hands of kings, queens, bankers, and thieves. Nearly every owner faced tragedy, financial ruin, betrayal, even death. Whether the curse is real or not, one thing is undeniable: the Hope Diamond is one of the most valuable pieces of jewelry on Earth. Estimated at over $250 million, today it sits behind bulletproof glass, not worn but feared. But if blue diamonds are rare, pink diamonds exist in a completely different universe. The pink star diamond ring changed the jewelry world forever. This single stone, internally flawless, vivid pink, and massive, sold at auction for over $71 million. One ring, one gemstone, a world record. What makes it truly unique is that pink diamonds of this quality are no longer forming in nature. That means what you're seeing is literally a one-time event in Earth's history. And then there's jewelry that looks extravagant, even by billionaire standards. The Peacock Necklace by Graff Diamonds is a masterpiece of controlled chaos. Over 120 carats of rare-colored diamonds were carefully arranged to mimic the spread feathers of a peacock. At its center sits a flawless deep blue diamond surrounded by pinks, yellows, and whites. It took years to source stones that matched perfectly its value. Well over $100 million, this isn't jewelry meant for daily wear. It's wearable art designed to dominate a room before the wearer even speaks. But sometimes, the most expensive jewelry doesn't scream, it whispers. The Blue Moon of Josephine ring is proof that minimalism can still break records. A flawless blue diamond set on a simple platinum band, no extra stones, no distractions. Just purity. It sold for nearly $50 million. What makes it special is the clarity. Stones like this almost never exist without internal flaws. This ring, isn't loud, it's confident. Now let's talk about a necklace that started with nothing. The incomparable diamond necklace features the largest internally flawless diamond ever discovered, a 91-carat yellow diamond. The shocking part, it was found by a young girl in Africa, lying in rubble. Years later, that same stone became the centerpiece of a necklace valued at over $55 million. From dirt to destiny, stories like this are what turn jewelry into legend. But diamonds aren't the only kings of value. In Asia, jade can be worth more than diamonds, and nothing proves that better than the Hutton Vinavani jadeite necklace. Each bead is imperial jade, perfectly matched in color, size, and translucency. That level of matching is nearly impossible. Once owned by a global fashion icon, the necklace sold for over $27 million. To collectors, this piece represents harmony, status, and eternity. Now imagine a ruby so perfect that gemologists called it mythical. The Sunrise Ruby ring is the most expensive ruby ever sold at auction. Its color is known as pigeon blood red, the most desirable shade on earth. Rubies of this quality are so rare that most mines will never produce one. This ring sold for over $30 million, proving that rarity isn't about size, it's about perfection. And speaking of perfection, one pink diamond caused such obsession that even its creator couldn't let it go. The Graff Pink Ring, a fancy intense pink diamond, sold for $46 million and was later bought back by Graff themselves. That's right, the brand that created it repurchased it, knowing no replacement would ever exist. That's when you know a piece is crossed from luxury into legend. But some jewelry isn't famous because of price alone, it's famous because of who wore it. The Panther bracelet designed by Cartier for Vala Simpson is dripping with emeralds and diamonds shaped like a panther. In motion, it symbolizes power, rebellion, and royal scandal. When it sold for over $12 million, buyers weren't just paying for gemstones, they were buying history, controversy, and style frozen in time. And then there are pieces that no billionaire can truly own. The Star of India is one of the largest blue star sapphires ever discovered. Under light, a perfect star floats across its surface, a natural optical phenomenon that can be replicated. It's displayed in a museum, protected not by price tags but by the understanding that some jewels belong to humanity, not individuals. So what actually makes jewelry this expensive? It's not just the gemstone, it has extreme rarity stones that form under conditions that may never happen again. It has flawless clarity that defies geological odds. It has history, royal ownership, legendary auctions, and cultural significance. And above all, it has the fact that once these pieces are lost, damaged, or locked away, they can never be replaced. That is why the world's most powerful collectors don't see these as accessories, they see them as time capsules. Portable wealth symbols of dominance, proof that Earth itself once created something perfect and never will again. So the next time you see a diamond ring, remember, somewhere in the world exists jewelry so rare, so valuable, that it doesn't glitter for attention, it simply exists untouchable, unforgettable, and forever unmatched. And if you think diamonds are impressive, wait until you see what's coming next.